yoga life. I've been requested on Instagram by Celia Hassan to do a tutorial video for a pose that I'm going to call butterfly. This pose is great for opening up the chest, stretching that back, and the hips and legs as well, and actually even the shoulders because you're grabbing up. So this one is dedicated to Celia Hassan. Thank you so much for asking for a video for this pose. Hopefully I've done it justice for you. We're going to grab the back edge of the hammock and spread the hammock out and grab it 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we should be around about halfway on the fabric. We're going to insert 1 foot at a time into the middle of the fabric, grabbing up high and lifting yourself into the hammock and bring your other foot in, stepping completely in the fabric. Find the front edge, grab the hammock and come to a kneeling position. So we're going to check that the hammock is going to cover up until our waist. Find the back edge of the fabric and bring it through the middle, out wide, and then back towards the center again. We're going to grab thumbs down and palms facing each other, and we're going to lean forward so that our hips are resting in the fabric and stretching. I'm going to stretch our legs out straight and our arms straight, coming into butterfly. So here I can feel stretching on my shoulders, especially when I straighten my arms. It lessens when I bend my arms. And I'm feeling pressure in the tops of my feet as I press down into the fabric. To come back out, I'm going to pull up strongly with my arms, bending my elbows back to kneeling position, and then my bum comes to my feet. I let go of the fabric, allowing it to untwist itself. Grabbing the back edge again, and I can bring my feet from underneath me out straight in front of me, and keep my legs out of the fabric to seat. So that is butterfly pose. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful. If you have found it helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. And I'll see you next time. Bye!